मैंने पूरा वीडियो ले लिया। हाँ धीरे ही ले लिया आज।
That's the railway board building there, which is made of iron.
That's the railway board building which is made of iron. इसका सारा लकड़ी जल गया था तो सिर्फ लकड़ी फिर से लगा दिया है। Anything
That
else?
is the Dalziel estate, part of the Dalziel
Come, let's
estate.
go closer.
So
Yeah.
that used to belong to a chappie named Dalziel. So that's part of it. Then
Okay.
you have the Hotel Classic over there.
Come सामने and keep talking about it ना as a travel
So you
journalist.
have the Hotel Classic over there,
Okay.
which was also part of the Dalziel estate. Then you have going from this side more parts of the Dalziel estate.
Going from here.
Yeah.
So let's go.
So this is the road which goes up to Kalibadi.
The temple and the estate. This you said this building used to be a typewriting.
This was a typewriting school. This used to be Lady Irwin School.
Lady
Where
Irwin
there is
School,
now Hotel
typewriting
Dalziel.
school.
And that is the railway board building.
Which one?
This one. Such
This entire building जो iron से बनी हुई है, this is the railway board building. Okay. So this entire building it used to be a typewriting school. अब इसको यहाँ पर एक इंडियन कॉफी हाउस बना दिया and the hotel Prakash is like it's been changed to Hotel Prakash.
From here you can see the structure. This was all part of the Dalziel estate. Here again you see Dalziel Lodge. And if you move this side you can have an entire view. So you can see, let's move down.
1 second, let me show this building.
So from here you should be able to get a view of the Annandale Park, the flat area, where now there's an army museum.
Annandale Park, where is that?
I think we need to move a little bit lower to be able to see from here.
So it's not a very clear day, otherwise यहाँ से पूरी ranges दिखती हैं, जो अभी तुम्हें सिर्फ एक आधा mountain दिख रहा है यहाँ पर, and the monkeys. Hi.
You have to come here to get it. So that side, if you look, you're going to be seeing the area of the University Summerhill area.
Okay, it's really far off, but basically this mountain here, इस पे सारी universities और schools हैं. Chelsea, Beats, all of that
No,
stuff.
Chelsea Beach is on the other side.
Okay,
This is
my
the
bad.
university area.
Okay, this is the university area. This mountain.
Summerhill.
Summerhill. यहाँ पे सारी universities हैं.
Then that ground, if you can see that, that is the Annandale ground.
Why don't you hold this? I'll shoot with the big camera.
So is it on?
Yeah.
Okay, so there you have the Annandale ground. And then as you look around, that area below us is known as Kethu. So all those long buildings that we see, long structures which house apartments,
Camera.
usually belonging to
हाथ डालो. Show it. Show it in the camera. हाँ.
government workers. And then that pretty structure with the red roof there in the distance is the Tara Hall School. And that is an amazing educational institution for girls, and a lot of people who have gone on to become prominent members of society have come out of the schools of Shimla. Tara Hall is one of them. It's a Loreto convent. If I move around here, we can see the road, and if you look at the tree branches, behind the tree branches is a multi-storied structure. This is one of the first multi-storied complexes to come up actually. The modern times, the Balji's Hotel, and then the construction era started. Where there in the distance we can see bits and pieces of Bhradi and Dudhli, and behind the trees is the Stirling Castle on top of the Elysium Hill. So like Rome, Shimla is also been built on a series of hills. And if I look this side and I start moving, there was a fire which took place here. Something has burnt down part of the hotel roof. So some of these structures are pretty old in the beginning from the foundations, but then they have been built upon over the years. And this here is part of the Dalziel Lodge, the Dalziel estate. So this belongs to a senior advocate now who has a gorgeous garden. Maybe we will visit sometime in the spring, and there again we can see the typewriter school of once upon a time. There's not a lot of traffic today, it being Sunday, but usually the road in front of us is pretty trafficated. And again, it's not a very clear sunny day as such, though it is Sunday. So normally the views are absolutely crystal clear and amazing and exceptional.
Now you see this plant. This plant, can you see the needles and the thorns coming out of it? This is called बिच्छू ये प्लांट अगर लग जाए तो इतनी खुजली होती है और पूरा रेड हो जाता है, और इसको साफ करने के लिए लाइक यू हैव टू पुट आइस. सो इन हिमाचल, इवन इन द माउंटेन्स, इवन ऑन उत्तराखंड साइड, दिस बिच्छू प्लांट, जब किसी से बहुत दुश्मनी हो रही होती है ना, ये पौधा निकाल के किसी के चेप दो बस वहाँ पर वो इंसान ख़त्म.
Okay, so here in the distance we've come from Chowda Maidan. So behind us is the railway board building. If you look this side, there's the beautiful State Bank building, which is a gorgeous part of architecture, very historical. So moving into this, now if you look downwards, those are buildings below Cart Road. Then there is a colony which has been made over there. I think it's the DLF colony. And then in the distance we can see the layers and the layers of mountains and hills. Then that block of buildings over there, again there's a timber house there, there's St. Edward's, that's another institution for boys. And as we move around we can have a look at the new High Court building, which is that green roofed one over there.
Right, very clever.
We've got monkeys running around the place. You've always got to be careful with your stuff. And this is the classic view of Shimla that you tend to get to see when you enter the city from this side of town. It's basically made in layers and layers and layers on the side of the hill. If you look carefully, you should be able to spot just about the top spires of the church, the Christ Church. On the top of the hill, you can see the famous Hanuman statue, which was built about 10 years ago. It's 108 feet or 100 feet, something like that. You also see that red building, which is the ropeway which goes up to Jaku. That's where the Hanuman Mandir and the statue is. We can see from here parts of the lift in that direction. We can see the complex for the sports complex, which has been constructed a little beyond the lift. And in the rest, in the distance, we have the St. Mark's, which is now a private residence. That's the building, beautiful with a lovely garden, still maintained. And at the back of it, the pinkish building, we can see a flag on top. That is the Kalibadi complex. We are not going there right now, but on the top of it is the Kalibadi Mandir, Shiv Mandir, and it's very, very famous, especially for people who come on pilgrimage from Bengal. Now through the trees, what we can see are bits and pieces of what used to be once upon a time the Western Command, where the Britishers had put up their station. So the entire head of the Western Command used to be here. Now it is changed, they've shifted it down to the plains. So what we have here is an art track.